Well, good morning, everyone. Let's go that way. We are out testing the Mini 3 today, and got the sunrise. You're going to see all that. Went really well. 3 batteries, the 45-minute ones, which are pretty cool. So that's awesome. And I'm pretty happy with how it's all gone. You're going to see all the footage. This is a little bad boy, the new droney, up and about, doing some ridge runs, get some panoramas and all those fun photos. Trying some of the master shots out. There's heaps of new features on the Mini 3 and pretty stoked about it. Hope you enjoy the photos. Hope you enjoy the video. It's going to be a pretty cruisy one. I'll put some music on, kick back, relax, and let's see what this can do. The Mini 3. Yeah, welcome to the channel, Mini. Oh, hey, Ash, how are you? Good to see you. Broken. Righto, time to hit that intro, and I'll see you at the end. quick one, just a bit of drone work. I left all my cameras at home because I'm doing a trip after this swing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. This is awesome. The controller, the new batteries were really good today. Easy half hour, which is amazing. That extra time is just amazing. Over the Mini 2, the battery, getting that extended battery runtime is just makes so much of a difference. So pretty cool. And the footage out of the Mini 3 is awesome. That 48 megapixel shot, all your extra options that we now got with the different master shots and different preset ones. The controller works a treat. I haven't had much lost signal issues, other than once you sort of get a bit of distance up, which I don't really need anyway. So I'm super happy with it, and yeah, pretty cool. It's great to have a drone back again after selling the Mini 2. I didn't know whether it was the right thing to do. I took a gamble and got out and got into this early, and yeah, it's a gem. Absolutely love it. As I said, the only caveat to that is the quick transfer at the present, as of mid-June, which it is now, there is some issues, but I think that should be pretty much all fixed with firmware updates and stuff. Anyway, that's it from me. Have a great day. I will see you in the next video, and stay safe. Go get yourself a Mini 3 Pro. Very nice. Cool. Great job, DJI. See you in the next one. Peace.